Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and Ghost's World. Today's video is going to be a little different but in the honestly best possible way. So something really exciting happened to me recently. One of my closely friends came up to me and said, "Hey, I have got a surprise gift for you." Now here the fun part. He didn't tell me what it was. No hints, no clues, nothing. Just happened. It over with a big smile and walked away. I was curious, excited, maybe little nervous too. So I sat down, took a deep breath and opened the gift, and honestly, wow, it was absolutely beautiful. I was completely surprised and honestly impressed. It is something I have never owned before, something totally unique. But here the twist. I am not going to tell you what it is. I want you to guess it. Take a good look. Drop your guesses in the comment box below. I am reading them all. Let's see who can figure it out first. Now here where things get interesting. This gift, this item is not something you all find in every store. It is actually pretty rare in our country. What if more people brought unique products like this from different countries and started selling them here? Think about it. It is stylish, it is useful, it is different, and when something is unique, it catches people's attention. That's exactly what good business is about. So if you were someone who is thinking about starting a small business, or even just looking for a side hustle, why not start with something like this? Explore markets in other countries, look for creative products, and bring something fresh and exciting to your local market. Trust me, people love new things. And who knows, this gift I got today might inspire your next big business idea. So what do you think this mystery gift is? Comment below. I am really curious to see your guesses. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe, because more fun stories and smart ideas are coming your way soon. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative and keep changing your dreams.